Welcome to Easy Money, your go-to channel for quick and easy ways to make money. In today's video, here are some websites and platforms where you can potentially make money in Nigeria and the world, including freelancing, online teaching, and selling your skills or products. Let's get started. In freelancing and online work, we have Upwork, a popular platform for connecting freelancers with clients for various projects. Fiverr, another freelancing platform where you can offer a wide range of services. Toptal focuses on connecting businesses with top-tier freelance talent, particularly in tech and design.
PeoplePerHour, a platform for finding freelance work in various industries.
TaskRabbit connects people with local tasks, such as errands, cleaning, and handyman work. In Online Teaching and Tutoringwe, Udemy allows you to create and sell online courses on a variety of topics. Teachable, another platform for creating and selling online courses. VIPKid focuses on online English tutoring for Chinese children. You can navigate and find other regions to teach. In selling products and services, we have Shopify, a platform to build and manage your own online store. Seller, Paystack storefront, sell digital products easily in Nigeria. Etsy, a marketplace for handmade, vintage, and unique items. Amazon, a platform to sell a wide range of products. Jumia, a popular online marketplace in Africa. Konga, another popular online marketplace in Africa. We have other platforms you can equally easily. Swagbucks, earn points by completing tasks like surveys, watching videos, and searching the web. You can earn gift cards or cash. User testing, get paid to test websites and apps. Give feedback on user experience. Google Opinion Rewards, earn Google Play credit by answering surveys. Inbox dollars, earn money by taking surveys, reading emails, and shopping online. Shutterstock, sell your photos and videos online. Google AdSense, earn money by displaying ads on your website. Remember, if it is not easy and proven, we won't bring it to you. So there you have it. Some websites and platforms where you can potentially make money in Nigeria and the world in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money easily. Thanks for watching. Click the next video to watch 5 ways to make money online.